I mean, who said healthy foods are not tasty? This brown rice is very, very enjoyable. Believe me. And at least for every spoonful you take, you are sure that you are not feeding your body junk. Like you're not feeding your body with junk, okay? Yes, you're looking out for your body for every spoonful. So it's not about eating or anything, no. It's about eating healthily. Yummy. Welcome back to our kitchen. This kitchen is for you and I to be sure we live healthier, happily and stronger even at old age. If you've been watching my videos and following these things I'm discovering and sharing, hit your hand on your chest and say, I am a wellness champion, or I am a wellness queen. In our last video, I promised I'm going to be sharing 3 healthier alternatives to our usual white rice, like the white rice we buy in bags. I said I've discovered 3 healthier alternatives to them. I didn't say they don't have starch. I didn't say they don't have sugar. All I said, they are healthier than the normal one. And in the first video, we talked about basmati rice. I don't know if you have bought even a small pack of that basmati rice. Please indicate in the comment section so that I will know that you are a good student. But if you've not bought it, please, I encourage you to buy. Now, in today's video, we're going to jump right into the second one. This one has loads and loads of benefits. In fact, this rice is so special that it has 2 notable nutrients. It's high in magnesium and it's high in fiber. And these 2 things are very, very necessary if you want to monitor your blood sugar, you want to prevent type 2 diabetes, and you want to watch your weight. In fact, these things in this rice makes it a healthier choice over the normal white rice. So let us find this rice, and it's none other than this. Yes, don't mind me, this one doesn't come in packets, it comes in cups. Like you can buy it in cups. You don't have to buy it in one packet. You can buy as many cups as you want. If you want to buy 1 cup, you're free. If you want to buy many cups, you are free. So this rice is our brown rice, or our own the one that is popular here, of course, we call it ofada rice, but it is brown rice. This one is far, far better than your normal rice. And do you know one thing? This one is costlier than basmati rice. Whoa, that should tell you. Okay, so let's use this tray and pour it out so that you see how it looks. Yes, this is it. It's not in pack. But a cup of this rice came for a cup like this came for 1,300. Oh my God! I don't even know how many cups of normal rice you can buy with 1,300. This one like this is 1,300. Yes, it's a very special rice. I mean, it's not just for the rich, it's for those who want to buy healthier lifestyles for themselves. Like, no matter the amount of money you're making, even though you are pretty-rich like me now, or you are rich, you can still afford it anytime you want to eat rice. Please go and buy this one. It's high in magnesium and it's high in fiber. Now, because of the high fiber content, once you eat a little of this rice, you'll feel full for a longer period of time, and it will help you to manage your blood sugar level and your weight. In fact, according to some of the studies I found while researching this rice, this brown rice, it was discovered that merely replacing your white rice with this brown rice reduces your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. So if you are battling with the condition, or you are a borderline diabetic, or you don't even want to experience it, especially if you are living this sedentary lifestyle where you go from your AC house, your AC car to your AC office and vice versa, this rice is very important for you to replace your normal white rice with it. Also, if you have hit 30 at least, You should know that your pancreas has been overworking all these years when you were small. Every time they'll be saying you need sugar as a child, and you'll be eating all the sugar. What nobody was telling you is that your body was working, your pancreas was working to regulate, to produce the sugar. All the cells have been at work for many years. So if you've reached 30, it will do you good to start reducing that, okay? So this rice is a very, very healthier alternative. According to research, I found another research study that stated that replacing your normal white rice with brown rice reduces your risk of developing heart condition by 21%. Yeah, 45 people were studied and their risk of developing heart issues reduced by 21%. Why? Brown rice increases HDL, the good cholesterol, while reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol. So you should know, when your cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, is high, you are talking about a heart condition here. But when the HDL is high, you are talking about reduced risk of developing heart problem. Another good source also stated that brown rice contains high amounts of antioxidants. Now, what is the work of these antioxidants? They neutralize all those harmful radical compounds in the body and also reduces inflammation. As a result of this reduction in harmful radical compounds, this rice can help you, not just this one, with other whole grain foods, which I'll be sharing in my channel. Now, this rice is a whole grain food, not just this one. Every other whole grain food is very, 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 very important because it helps you to prevent a lot of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart issue, weight, obesity, and even cancer, according to some studies. Remember, I told you, go to the description below. I've listed all the sources down there for you. Now, another thing you should know is that if you replace your white rice with brown rice, it also helps in weight control. Another study proved this, where children and adults, some number of children and adults were placed on brown rice instead of white rice, and the researchers discovered that this rice helped to reduce their body mass index. It's really this was that causes fat in the hips and everywhere fat, like I used to say. Brown rice, because it's a whole grain, high in fiber, magnesium, it was powerful in reduction of weight. Now, before I forget, brown rice has a glycemic index of 50 and a glycemic load of 36 points, although some sources say 28 to 38, depending on the type and maybe method of cooking. I will share some of the methods in the description box below. So what does it mean? It doesn't spike your blood sugar. That's why it's good for those managing type 2 diabetes. But if you're managing your weight, remember, it still has carbohydrates, but not as high as the usual white rice. That's why I'm always tagging them the healthier alternatives to your normal white rice. Okay, I know, like I told you, a cup of this rice is 1,300. Please don't complain. And I'm going to be cooking just a cup. Yeah, remember, because of the high GL, make sure you also practice portion control. Not because Bloody Canny has said it's healthy and now you go and cook 2 cups, only you will sit down and finish it. I'm not here. I'm just saying it's healthier. Remember the glycemic load. Now, because of how this rice is, it has its bronze, which has made it high in fiber, so it's not processed. So you just have to select it a bit, just to remove the dirt in it. Yes, it has all those some dirt you wouldn't want to be chewing while eating the rice, so please pay attention to removing them. Okay, so you just have to select the rice a little, remove the chaffs. But there's something I want you to note. This rice is very strong. It's stronger than even basmati rice, so it takes longer time to cook. The only thing you can do is to soak it. If you are in a haste but you want to eat this ofada rice or brown rice, just soak it a bit before you start cooking it. I think it will fasten the cooking time. Sorry, it will fasten it. It will get softer fast. So that's it. I'm doing just 1 cup so that this video doesn't get too long where I'm selecting the rice. Yes, I didn't pre-select it before now. I just want to cook it and show you how it is and the quantity that 1 cup will give you so that you will know how to measure it. Remember, the glycemic load is still high. So even though you cook a cup, don't go and eat all at the same time. Believe you me, when you are very healthy, every other thing, all your plans and everything becomes easy. But when you are sick, all those plans will be meaningless. I mean, somebody said, if you think you have money, wait until one opportunistic disease comes your way. That money in your bank account, you will know that it is nothing because it will take it all. And another important thing about this healthier living or healthier lifestyle or healthier eating is it makes you stronger at old age. Why? Because your body system is still strong to carry on, the many years you got to spend here on earth. At least the Bible gave us 70 years, but some people stay above that. You wouldn't want to be feeling like a 90-year-old man or woman when you are still 60. Last 2 weeks, Sunday, our Sunday school teacher was telling me that he has projected his death to be around 80 years. That was what he planned before. But after monitoring one elderly man in the church that is up to 90 years and still strong, that he has already decided that he will get to 95. If that man can be that strong at 90, that he's now planning or aiming to get to 95 before dying. So I was now telling him it's all about how you live your life from now. The more healthier you live, the more stronger you will be when you are older. So he was not telling me that, of course, that he is very, 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 very careful, that in his family they are usually on the big side, but because of his own consciousness, he has maintained this twin body shape, that it hasn't been easy, that he knows a lot of things he's giving up to make sure he's not big, his tummy is not protruding, and he's still looking very fit and strong. I told him, please keep it up. That diet strategy is top notch. Like, this is exactly what everybody should be doing if they want to live stronger and healthier, especially when they get older. So I was really, really impressed with him. I mean, he's not even subscribed by yet, but he has already decided for himself that he must live a healthier lifestyle so that he will be stronger at old age. That's very, very encouraging. Now, when it comes to this rice, this rice can be very, very, very brown indeed. And you know what that means? It has a lot of dates. So we just have to wash it very, very thoroughly before we cook it. There are some you will get and the chaffs inside are too many. I know, that's why a lot of people may not even want to spend time or waste their time to cook brown rice or fada rice, especially this one available here. I believe you can still get a very clean one in supermarkets, but note, this one I bought it in the market and it was 1,003 per cup. If you buy this in the supermarket, you may be looking at 1,500 per cup. So I'm going to be washing it very, very well so that I will reduce the dirt in it. So I wouldn't mind how many times I wash it. I wash it until the color is to a level I can accept. Okay? Don't forget what I said, it's very strong, it's stronger than the normal white rice. So if you don't want it to waste your time during the cooking process, please soak it a bit. Soak it, yeah, soak it. Soak it for at least 1 hour to soften it a little. Now this is the third time I'm washing it. You can see that the water is still brown, but at least it's getting cleaner. So I'm going to wash it for the fourth time before I now cook it, so that the water will get brighter. And in fact, I'm still going to parboil it. What do I mean? After it has boiled for some time, I will still do what? Filter it. Yeah, according to my doctor, if you filter it, you're reducing the starch content, thereby reducing the GI and the GL. So parboiling is not bad. You can try it. Especially if you want to reduce the amount of starch you consume and the sugar in your blood, or you are already managing type 2 diabetes, you really need to parboil. It's good. Now see our brown rice inside the pot. I'm gonna cook this first and then pour this water after it starts boiling. Now this rice is really brown rice. Can you see how brown it is as it is boiling? Even after washing it for 4 times, the rice is still browning. In fact, don't speak such at home anyway, but it's still very brown. And believe me, you will not even like the aroma at all. But like I said, I will still parboil it. I'll wash it and replace it with another water, just to be reducing the starch content. Okay, so our brown rice is ready. There are a lot of things I observed while cooking this rice, but the water will keep on being brown until it's maybe as soft as you want, and the aroma is not enticing at all. But at the end of the day, we are focusing on the healthy benefits of this rice, not on whether it has a good aroma or not. But you see, at the end of the day, it's like this is the rice, and if you don't like your rice to be very sticky, you really can go for this brown rice. But it's tasty, very tasty. Like, it's tasty. I can assure you that. Maybe just go to the market or the store and buy yours. You enjoy it. I mean, who said healthy foods are not tasty? This brown rice is very enjoyable. Believe me. And at least for every spoonful you take, you are sure that you are not feeding your body junk. Like, you're not feeding your body with junk, okay? Yes, you're looking out for your body for every spoonful. So it's not about eating or anything, no. It's about eating healthily. Yummy. If you've not bought yours, go and buy your own after this video. And don't forget the basmati rice as well. In case you can't find this one in your location, go for the basmati rice. It's still better than the normal white rice. I'll be seeing you in my next video, and in that video I'll be sharing the third healthier alternative to your normal white rice.